Hello, welcome to Gain Global webinar series. Today I have a guest from Indonesia, and our topic is going to be the spirit of entrepreneurship. As you know, we are running a webinar series for last couple of weeks, and this is a really great way to share our experience. First of all, I would like to greet my participant, my speaker from Indonesia, Hadi Nainggolan. Hadi, welcome to Gain Global webinar series.
Yeah. Good afternoon for all.
Thank you for joining us. I would like to thank also for the audience who is watching us today now live. As you know, you will have the chance to ask questions. If you have questions for Hadi, you may put them to ask a question part at the end of the session. I will have a chance to direct them for him to address your questions. Let me make a brief introduction. Hadi is from Jakarta, from Indonesia, and he is a founder and also CEO of Han Corporation. Serves as a chief of customs and excise, the Indonesian Young Entrepreneurs Association. Today our topic is entrepreneurship, so this will be really great to see and understand the perspective of Hadi as an entrepreneur, also as an Indonesian entrepreneur. He served as a 2016 JSA local president of Jakarta and 2017 vice president of JSA Indonesia. It was my immediate vice president's year. Really a great place. We had the chance to visit also in 2015 as a president during my leadership here. So Hadi is known with his main name, so everyone is addressed with the name. Let me open the floor, give the floor to him for self-introduction. Hadi, welcome once more to our session. It's a pleasure to have you here today. I'll be asking and would like to start first of all to ask you a brief introduction. Also, what's your business? Can you explain a little bit about what you are doing?
Yeah. Thank you for all. Is my name I'm Hadi Nainggolan from Jakarta, Indonesia. Thank you so much to past President Ismail Hasnajar and invite me in Gain Global webinar. So I'm presentation the spirit of entrepreneurship. The background entrepreneur, main business today, office management, building office management, plantation, and traveling, and medical wear, and seven company in and management holding at Han Corporation.
Thank you. So you have really very good experience in your young age. So we are really keen to understand your experience, to learn from your experience. But before that, I would like to ask, how is situation in Jakarta now due to the COVID? Is everything fine?
Yeah, Jakarta lockdown. Today lockdown and transportation off, flight off. The people Jakarta work from home. The people stay at home.
At home. And how it affects your business?
Yeah.
You are in office now, yeah? So does it affect your business during this period, and how you move forward?
Yeah, business slow. Yeah, slow down. Manufacturing slow down, office management slow down, travel off, and yeah, reborn business, medical equipment, medical wear, opportunity, the big opportunity today.
Okay. Thank you for the introduction. Really appreciate it. So now I will turn to your presentation to hear your sharing. So we will be seeing your presentation about the spirit of entrepreneurship. And then I will have some questions and we may continue with the questions also. So floor is yours,
Okay.
Hadi. Yes.
Okay, yes. Thank you for all. I am step by step. The spirit, yeah, the spirit of entrepreneurship. Presentation me two part, yeah, three part. I'm combine seven steps. Me. The seven characteristic of entrepreneurship spirit. The seven characteristic of entrepreneurship spirit. Number one is outline. Seven characteristic of entrepreneurial spirit. Outline the first. Outline two. Seven step by step for success. Yeah. The next. Seven things that make entrepreneurs still can survive in crisis.
Okay. Very good.
Three outline topic I'm sharing just for me, just now to for all.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Seven characteristic entrepreneurship. The first is in harmony with your fashion. Yeah, we'll never survive in this thing that we do is not harmony with our fashion. Fashion the key element to make you entrepreneur become one with our business, grow alongside with your fashion. The first, the two. It always seek equation. Yeah, wet cloth be better. True entrepreneur remember by this walk always seek for the base. Nah, the next, it always embrace possibility with optimism. Nah, the work of entrepreneurship is full on anxiety and fatality. Being optimist is one the winners of have. The next, risk taking. The universe constellation keep everything balanced. Output in going side by side with rise. The only way servant to talent of entrepreneur is being brave to take risks. The next, the make heaven spirit. Yeah, plan sometimes 1% of success and 99% for is about start making things happen. Successful entrepreneur often really fall on the point. The next, causing happiness about all. Success is nothing if it did not bring happiness. We need to care and being able to catch happiness is every step to achievement, and happiness is achievement. The next, sharing for impact. Nah, entrepreneur no oriented, self oriented. Entrepreneur sharing, caring, sharing for impact. Success is nothing with anyone to share is with. As an entrepreneur, we need to be able to give impact to other. A balance for happy life is to be able to give back to other to the story of your achievement and inspire others. uh, Part one outline presentation me seven characteristic of entrepreneur spirit. Part two, part two, seven step by step for success. I create seven step by step for success, seven for characteristic entrepreneur. Today, seven Tuesday.
Yes, it's really good for today. It's 7th of May, and this is also good to remember.
Yeah.
You know, when you have these numbers, it
Okay.
helps. Thank you for it.
Yeah, no more. Seven day. Okay. Seven step by step for success. Number one, dream it. Yeah, it's all started from dreams. Start to jot down your dream. Yeah, visualize and imagine it. Number one, number two adalah the next confidence. Skill and bring you somewhere, but with fight and confidence is guaranteed to success and to reach your destination. The next three step by step for success plan. Yeah. Talk execution, yeah, and everything but God solve detailing planning. It also resides on success. Detail planning, step by step for success. The next action, dream, confidence, and good plan will be nothing without a God action. Start doing it now. Nah, jadi action. Jadi comprehensive plan. No NATO ya, NATO no action talk ugly. Jadi action entrepreneur, action.
We have always to be action oriented. So this is very important. What you emphasize.
Yes. The next focus. Yeah, focus. A lot of entrepreneurs failed in phase of building the business because of the lack of focus. Okay. Focus means that to ignore unnecessary thing in your life. Yeah. Leave what distract you in reaching your goals. Yeah. Focus. The next innovation. Now, your business is that by time you stop and being innovation, if perform evident, then you are focused on your business. You will always know what do you need to innovate and your business. Innovation. Step by step for success in innovation. Step for six. Nah, the next ikhlas. Nah, I'm Muslim. Ikhlas. Yeah, same scale. Yeah, we can plan. Yeah, we can plan. But is the end God decides? Yeah. If all of your planning is done, nah, next we solve fact or security to be prepared and thought out. Yeah. The right effort and process will not betray you. Okay. Part two. Part finish presentation.
That you mean you make your job, you prepare yourself, and then the rest will follow. Correct?
Yeah. Okay. Right. Correct.
Yes.
Okay. The next. The seven things that make entrepreneurs still can survive in crisis. Nah, in crisis, COVID-19, crisis, politics, crisis, face major, crisis, and entrepreneurs can survive in crisis. Number one, yeah, read to opportunity. COVID-19, business travel stagnan, ya. The business hotel stagnan, the business food culinary stagnan, ya. Tapi business hospitality, ya, business medical equipment, business medical wear rebound.
Yes.
Nah, entrepreneur, yeah, read to opportunity. Yeah, always read opportunity. There always an opportunity in very challenge, yeah, that we encounter. Nah, in this COVID, yeah, situation, if we want see clearly, yeah, there are ton of business opportunity awaiting the on the cloud. Nah, the next management. Central of business, the power of business, variable management. A lot of companies going through, yeah, bankruptcy because of management. One of the receive to company that called go through multiple crisis are the one who have a good, yes, discipline management. Keyword, ya, keyword for management, discipline management. The next, selling skill. Nah, selling skill, the ability to sell is the essential stockhold when you're in crisis. Selling thing that doesn't related nor relevant to B1. The ability to often know market channel and crisis credit. The next, risk control. In the end, all risk cloud have mitigation plan. Nah, mitigation plan, entrepreneur mitigation plan, plan A, plan B, plan C. Nah, always come with multiple scenarios to anticipate where that possibility that might come. The next, persistent. Nah, entrepreneur persistent. Stay grounded when frenzy comes. Stand still when crisis flood you. One of the biggest strength of pure entrepreneur is this not giving up. Nah, not giving up. Ya, spirit try until, ya kan? Try. Ya. You goal achieve. The next, determination. Having a solid foundation, yeah, of fight is not for everyone. The people who have been chosen to keep fighting to achieve their dream. Challenges and obstacles is not going to slow them down to reach these goals. The next, the second stage, the power of mind. Konkulasi entrepreneur, strong entrepreneur, leadership, kekuatan, power, the power of mind. Everything start and your head, keep your positivity. Yeah, positive mind will attract positive opportunities. So those thinking big will attract big thing keep on coming. Thank you. Presentasi just sharing. That is a connect for me in social media, in Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. Thank you so much for moderator, past President Ismail Hasnajar. I'm sorry, speak English slow. Tapi I'm read, I'm write, I'm voice. I'm understanding. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Hadi, thank you for presentation, for your preparation. I have few questions before we move forward. Let me ask some of my questions that I have. Or we may close the presentation if it's fine with you.
Okay.
So you may close sharing. Yes, perfect.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Let me see.
Okay. Okay.
So it was very valuable. The 7 things that you shared. Thank you for. Because it's important to understand what are the characteristics of entrepreneurs, and also to understand how we survived during this crisis time. And you as an entrepreneur, you went through this journey. I'm curious. I want to understand how was your journey also. So, pardon me. My question is how you start your business. So, how you decided to become entrepreneur.
Starting business from student,
Yes.
and college, business side job in printing, side job in design, side job salesman. I'm starting business from college.
From college. So it's really important to do different businesses in the beginning, early stage, like in university, in college, and then you start your business. And when you start the business, was it Han Group or Han Corporation or something else? First company.
Yeah. No. I'm manage 7 company, joint holding in Han Corporation. Han Corporation. The first company brand Graha Inspirasi, focus business building management in Jakarta, services virtual office, services office, legal business services, tax accounting services, one-stop services for entrepreneur. Business the first business to business plantation palm oil from Sumatera Sumatera, Indonesia. The next business on trip provide traveling and tour international and domestic Indonesia, umroh to destination Muslim baik Istanbul, Palestine and country the next.
And you have a team. How many people now works for Han Corporation? How many employee personnel you have?
Employee 200. Yeah. 200,
so this is really good number of team. And how you manage your team, how you motivate, especially during this time, this period. What are your recommendations?
Human resource number one. I am training person to person, cluster, top management, middle management, employee technical. I am focused training for human resource. Human resource asset number one for company. Human resource number one asset for company. I am the leader management holding five leader manage to 7 company.
Okay, so you have a top management leaders who manage different companies, and you say that you invest to human resource. It's an important asset, important capital.
Yes. I am invest capital for human resource. Training periodic. Training monthly, weekly, routine, continue. Jadi training periodic, weekly, monthly for human resource, top management, middle management, technical employee, consistent training, capacity building, personality, team management, corporates.
From your side, the leadership is important. So you are leading this group of people. You are leading the leaders, and also you are leading your human capital. But you went through a process of learning. You were part of JCI as well. You mentioned you were a local chapter president in 2016, and then vice president in 2017. How was that experience of learning in JCI side? What you benefit, and and now I think you slow down. You are focusing to business. Can you explain a little bit that part?
Benefit join for JCI big to me. I'm learning training. I'm learning management. I'm learning personal touch. I'm learning communication. I'm learning strategic management. I'm learning strategic conflict. I'm learning management team, personal touch, person to person. JCI the best. JCI I'm partisipasi event country Indonesia, go international, experience to join event JCI to Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Japan, go international. So terakhir itu di and Mongolia.
Yeah, okay.
Mongolia.
So it was like
I'm happy. I'm happy join in JCI. I'm happy join JCI. Cuman stay fokus now management business.
Now pardon me. Now your focus is in the business. So it's important. It was your recommendation. With all the learnings that you have now, you focus to make your business better.
The plan personal. The next year, I am activity in JCI. Jadi the next. Okay.
Also, Hadi, I would like to learn about entrepreneurship ecosystem in Indonesia, because you are also a part of
Yeah.
Indonesia Young Entrepreneurs Association. Can you explain a little bit what you do
Yeah.
there, what the association is working for, and how the entrepreneurship ecosystem is in Indonesia?
Ya, Association Entrepreneur Indonesia top number one association HIPMI, Himpunan Pengusaha Muda Indonesia, Association Young Entrepreneur Indonesian. Member 14 member of Indonesia, population top Indonesia, Himpunan Pengusaha Muda Indonesia, Association Young Entrepreneur Indonesia. So HIPMI ecosystem partner strategic from government, regulation, business hotel, business manufacturing, business services, business human resource, dan all business strategic partner to government with HIPMI, Association Young Entrepreneur Indonesia.
And
Nah,
how is the entrepreneurship in Indonesia? It's like an ecosystem. You said that you have a co-working space, you have the association, and what are other players in the ecosystem?
Yeah, ecosystem entrepreneur in Indonesia, alhamdulillah established. Pertumbuhan ya, maksudnya population young planner, startup, co-working increase for year in Indonesia.
And
jadi ekosistem.
Yeah. How is the investment climate? For example, did you receive investment, or are you investing for startups?
Yeah. Investment startup in Indonesia, ya lokal Jakarta investment, tapi the big investment from China, from Singapore, from USA, and investment for startup in Indonesia, incubation startup, incubation in Indonesia.
And my final question will be about a general recommendation from your experience. So you had different experiences. You are managing a team now. So what might be your final words as a recommendation to our audience?
Okay, number one recommendation, investment to human resource. Yeah. Number one asset in business, in corporate, human resource, personal team. Investment to training, increase capacity building, upgrade technical skill. Nah, in number one investment for human resource. Nah, number two, entrepreneur take rest. Nah, take rest on control risk. Ya. Jadi plan A, plan B, plan C, achieve and entrepreneur. Nah, final recommendation for entrepreneur, communication. Communication. Jadi communication for entrepreneur, keyword the number two, number one entrepreneur, communication for employee, communication for regulation, government, communication with partner, communication to client, communication to all.
So communication is very crucial and important, as you mentioned, and I really appreciate this opportunity because nowadays this kind of digital tools give us the opportunity to meet, to communicate, and it was now easy to bring you on screen. So you are in Jakarta, I'm in Istanbul, but thanks to communication tools also. Thank you for accepting my invitation, Hadi. Also, thank you very much for all the information you shared. We hope we can communicate further in the future days. Let me brief also the GAIN Global site. It was an initiative or a tool that I wanted to start in 2016 after my presidential year, mainly seeing the need for entrepreneurs in different parts of the world, and especially to bridge that gap between cities, between mentors, entrepreneurs, because not a good entrepreneurship ecosystem is established in all cities. Jakarta is lucky, as you mentioned, you have a good ecosystem. Istanbul is lucky, but not all the cities are in same level. But entrepreneurs are important because we start something new, we initiate new things. Innovation is coming from entrepreneurs. So you are one example. You started from university, from your college time. Now you have a team of 200 people, very good in different areas, different sectors. I congratulate you. Really proud with all the things and activities that you are running. And this was a good way now to communicate each other. We hope that in the near future we can keep that communication and do something together also, do something more together.
Okay, I'm ready.
So,
okay.
Thank you. So, do you have any final words or final remarks, Hadi, before we close the live streaming?
Yeah, live streaming. I'm coming to Jakarta, Indonesia. Indonesian, the big population, number 4 in world, China, India, number 3 USA, number 4 population, big population, and Indonesia. Bonus demography in Indonesia, the big opportunity market, market business, Indonesian population, the big number 4 outworks, opportunity besar, opportunity besar, big for entrepreneurs, entrepreneurs for global, join in Indonesia. Welcome to Indonesia, welcome to Jakarta. Partnership, collaborate, synergy, networking business, how market population the big number 4 in the world in Indonesia.
Yes, Indonesia is a very important market, so this is good way to invite people, startups, also for investment, and how they can reach you, Hadi. Your mail address or your social media, you are active. How they can reach you? How can
I'm active social media.
Yes.
Contact me and social media. Instagram konsisten M Hadi Nenggolan, Facebook M Hadi Nenggolan, and Twitter M Hadi Nenggolan, konsisten M Hadi Nenggolan.
Very good.
Website me juga. Okay.
And also the Han Corporation is also your company. Easily they may find the corporation. Hadi, thank you once more. I appreciate. I would like to thank to our audience also. The video will be soon also ready for replay, and we will be sharing through YouTube also. And we hope we can reach more and bigger audience. Please take care, stay safe, and see you hopefully soon.
I'm sorry, slow communication, speak English. I'm understanding, read, I'm understanding, write, conversation slow. I'm sorry.
It was important, I believe, to see you, to talk with you, and also to hear your experience. You made a really good presentation with 7 topics. We will remember them. And we will practice.
Thank you.
It's good. Thank you. Thank you. So please take care.
Thank you.
See you.
Take care. Thank you.